So basically, the shot that I'll be going for is, this road is an S, as you can see. So Julian will ride from where we're at. He'll go through the S's, and I'll try to come at it at different angles. I'll come low across from here and meet him at the road, and maybe follow him from the back, and then I'll do another one. Maybe I'll come from high and dive down at him and follow him, and then we'll see later if I'm feeling confident. Maybe I can follow him and then cut off the road, come around the trees, back in. We'll see.
Alright, so we're gonna do the test run right now. Drone's down there. That shit is so fast. Oh shit. Alright, there it comes back. He's chasing them, doing some test stuff. Oh, it's the Jaguar still again. It's the Jag, as Jeremy Clarkson says it.
So range is pretty solid.
Alright, that's some good news. Alright guys, so I'm gonna, because the tires on the bike got cold already, so I'm gonna go head out that way, warm them up for a mile or two, and then come back so, get some good lean angle. Not insane, but some good lean angle on those turns, because I don't want to go in those turns cold. Alright guys, so we're done with today recording. It is really cold. It's really hard to keep the tires warm, but we got some good footage.
Yep.
We were gonna do some more handheld stuff with Brandon and the Jixer next, but we're running out of time for now, so we'll come back.
Successful flight though. The drone did not crash.
Yeah.
We got several shots to work with, so get to look at them at home on the computer, and I'm excited to see it because I think it could make some cool. This is the first time filming a motorcycle with FPV drone, so and this is the kind of shit I want to be able to do with it. So it's fun to come out here and practice. And, it's dope.
That's the whole goal. Eventually, we're practicing right now so that we can get the amazing footage, for future clients and people with their cars or bikes, that we can do rolling shots with the tilter rig, and then add to the shot with the FPV drone, and then gimbal shots, still shots. Like, we want to add everything to our repertoire so that, is that even the right word? Our arsenal, sorry. I want to add everything to our arsenal.
It's really, I just love drones.
Yeah, they're cool too.
I just love them shits. This takes time though, man. This shit.
It does take time. It does take time.
No joke. It takes a little bit of skill.
He's working on that.
A little bit.
A lot of skill. We're working on that. Then we got the tilter. Once we get it going though, people, you'll see. Follow us on Instagram to make sure when we finally have, able to actually do more clientele shoots with anybody really. If you want to be a volunteer while we're in the training, and you want to come out, and you in the LA area, say what's up. Let us know. We can practice shooting your car or bike, and we'll go from there. In other words, MT10 is still badass. Yeah, I love this bike and the Jixer, of course.